What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to do a cool little feature with the Hohem iSteady Pro gimbal. How to do a motion lapse with it. There's a lot of range, anywhere from 30 seconds to 6-hour motion lapse. You can set as many stopping waypoints, as they call it, as you'd like on it. Today I'm just going to do 4 quick stops, and I'll show you how to set it all up and how it all works. And this is probably one of my favorite parts about this thing. First thing we're going to do here is launch the Hohem GimSet app, connect our device and go to control. And over on the side here we have the motion lapse. We're going to select that, and we're going to add our waypoints. So with the tablet here, I can set up where the screen's shooting from the GoPro. So I will adjust where our first starting point's going to be, and I will add waypoint. Now I'm going to go to our next stopping point. Hit the plus. I'm going to add a third point. And I'll add a fourth point. So now we have all our points set. I'm going to hit the next button. It's going to ask me how long I want to do it. 30 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, or 4 hour, all the way up to 6 hour. We're going to do this quick, so we're just going to do it in 30 seconds here. Now I'm going to start the camera recording on the GoPro. And I'm going to hit the begin button. Okay, as it finished, get a little thing on the screen here saying that motion lapse has completed. And that's all there is to it. So another cool little added feature with this gimbal is I found that I can use my Hero Session 5 mounted in it as well. As you can see, it still works pretty good.